Now, dear students, let's take another example about the dilation of a cube. Find the dilation of a cube, lateral area and volume, which edge is, suppose it, 4 centimeter, with coefficient k equals 1/2. Take this example and focus with me how to find the dilation and how to conclude whether it is enlargement or reduction. Now, look at this. K. The given coefficient k, 1/2 less than 1, okay? Which means it is a reduction, okay? It's reduction because the volume will be minimized and the lateral area even will be minimized. Therefore, I will make as same as the last example. Same as the last example. Finding the volume and its dilation. Finding, calculating the area and its dilation. Solution. Volume equals L times L times L. This is a cube. Equals, where is the side? 4 centimeter. 4 times 4 times 4 centimeter cube. Which equals 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64 centimeter cube. This is the original value. Now I will make the reduction of the volume. The dilation of the volume. V dash equals K cubed times original volume, which is V. That means K 1/2 or cube times 64. Look, dear students, look and how to compare these examples. 1/3 of the cube equals this power. I will make a fast review for you for the first chapter, which is about the powers. Okay? This power is distributed for the numerator and the denominator, which equals 1 cubed over 2 cubed times 64, which means 1 cubed 1 times 1 times 1 over even 2 times 2 times 2 all times 64. I am solving the question for you with all its details. So as to qualify you for the next stage. Just focus with me. Do not ever forget. That means 1 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 64. What is the denominator of 64? Guess with me. 3, 2, 1. It is 1. Now I will summarize this. this 8 equals 1 times 8, 8, 1 times 1, 1, 8 over 1. Every quantity divided by 1 equals the same quantity, centimeter cubed. Look, what was the original volume? It was 64. It was 64. After making the dilation for it, I've got 8 centimeter cube. What can I do with reduction? reduction تقليل أو تصغير. الحجم الأصلي كان 64 سنتيمتر تكعيب، بعد إجراء الدايليشن صار 8 سنتيمتر تكعيب. Dear students, in this way I can make the dilation for the cube. Now what will I do? Now the dilation of area, dilation of area. Lateral area dash equals area A dash. As the last example, you can write just A dash, or lateral area dash equals K squared times the lateral area, the original lateral area. Is it exist, this value? No, it does not exist. Now I will solve it. Lateral area equals 6 times L times L, which equals 6 times L equals 4 times 4, which equals 4 times 4. 6 times 4, 24. 24 times 4, 96 centimeter cube. Centimeter squared. Okay, I have calculated the original area of this shape. I have calculated the original area for this shape. Now I will make the dilation for this area, and don't forget, we concluded from the beginning since the beginning of the lecture, this dilation is reduction. It is a reduction. Thus, I will complete here in this empty space. Lateral area dash equals K squared times lateral area original, which means 1/2 times 96 squared, which equals 1 squared over 2 squared times 96, which equals, even I will go to the powers I substituted, and I will multiply 1 times 1 over 2 times 2, or 96. Okay? Which equals 1 times 1 times 96, 96 over 2 times 2 is 4, which equals 24 centimeter cube. Okay? Look at the original area. It is 96. What? It is 96. What do I get? I got 20 centimeter, 24 times centimeter. This kind of dilation, type of dilation, I call it reduction. Why reduction, students? Dear students, just focus with me. Because the coefficient of dilation is less than 1. If the coefficient of dilation is less than 1, I judge that the dilation type is reduction. But if the coefficient greater than 1, I conclude that the dilation is not reduction, it is enlargement. Dear students, focus with me and read all these lectures very well, so as to prepare yourself for the next exams. See you tomorrow, inshallah.